The fastest money on KashKick usually does not come from surveys. It usually comes from high-paying offers like game installs, banking trials, and subscription sign-ups. By the end of this, you'll know the fastest ways to earn on KashKick and which offer types are usually worth your time. Here's the direct answer. Focus on high-value offers first. Stack easy survey bonuses, and avoid low-paying tasks that eat time. That's the fastest route. Start with featured offers. KashKick's offer wall usually highlights the biggest payouts at the top. Those are often game progression offers, app installs, or financial sign-ups. These usually pay more because companies want new users fast. That's where the real money usually is. Before starting, read the requirements. A lot of users miss payouts because they skip one step. If the offer says reach level 20, finish that exact level. If it says make a deposit, complete it exactly. Precision matters. Next, prioritize game offers with multiple milestones. This is one of the best strategies. A single game might pay at level 5, level 10, and level 20. That means you can earn in stages instead of waiting for one final payout. That lowers risk. If the game feels too slow early, move on. Time matters. Now use surveys strategically. Surveys are weaker for speed, but they're useful for filling gaps. Use them when you're waiting for offer tracking or cooldowns. That keeps your earnings moving. Shorter surveys are usually better. Long surveys with disqualification risk waste time. Another smart move is stacking offers. Run one game offer, one sign-up offer, and one survey track at the same time. That creates multiple earning streams. If one stalls, the others keep paying. That's efficient. Check for limited time boosts too. KashKick rotates offers. Some payouts increase for a short period. That's when you strike. Daily checking matters. One mistake to avoid is starting offers outside KashKick. Always click through the platform. That's how tracking works. If tracking breaks, payment can fail. And keep proof. Screenshots help if support needs to verify completion. Quick recap. Start with featured high-paying offers. Read the requirements exactly. Choose milestone-based game offers. Use surveys to fill downtime. Check daily for boosted payouts. Practical next step. Open KashKick now and compare the top 5 offers before starting anything. If this helped you earn smarter, hit like and subscribe for more reward app strategies.